what's up guys? I'm Weird Ryan. This is the world's largest toilet, and this is some weird stuff. Today, we have marshmallows. We're gonna fill up the toilet with water, and then the marshmallows, and then I'm gonna get inside, and then we're gonna flush it. Let's go. I'm going to get the hose. Found the hose.
Good content.
Alright, the toilet's filled up with water. We got our marshmallows right here. Let's put them inside. Alright, we got it filled up. I'm gonna get inside. Comment down below how many marshmallows do you think are in here? It's gotta be a lot. If you get it right, you win a bag of marshmallows.
Alright, count them around, please.
Alright. 1, 2. Let's go. It's like hot chocolate, except for cold. Oh, this is sick. All right, how many can I fit in my mouth? 2.
Some are falling out.
All right, let's flush it.
There's one on your back, Dad.
Where? All right, in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh yeah. Go, 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 go. Is it gonna get them all? Oh, it's clogged for sure. I can see them. Come here. Show the hole.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
I've seen this before.
Remember last time this happened?
Call the plumber.
Didn't work. It's over, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want us to fill up the toilet with next. Also, my other channel is linked below. My cameraman's channel will be linked below. And we'll see you next time. Peace.